Hi there, folks. Welcome to today's important topic, managing health and safety on construction sites. Safety first, always, whether you're a worker or a manager. These tips will help everybody safe and the job running smoothly. Step 1. Plan ahead. Before we swing those hammers, we've got to assess potential risks and plan for them. That means having safety meetings and setting clear guidelines. Step 2. Gear up. Hard hats, gloves, and safety boots are your best buddies. And don't forget those safety harness when you're walking at height. It's like a safety belt for the sky. Step 3. Know your exits. In case of emergency, everyone needs to know where to go. Fire drills aren't just for school, they save lives here too. Step 4. Communication is key. Everyone needs to be on the same page. If you see something unsafe, speak up. We are a team and we watch out for each other. So there you have it, folks, the ABC of managing health and safety on construction site. Let's build not only structures, but a strong safety culture too. Until next time, stay safe and keep constructing greatness.